friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video we do a comparison of Vechain cryptocurrencies last 3-day price and now the current price of Vechain cryptocurrencies. We compare the prices of Vechain in the previous 3 days and last 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and stay connected with us. Now let's see the Vechain cryptocurrencies price prediction. What's changed occur in the last 3 days and the last 1 hour change occur in the Vechain crypto in a cryptocurrencies market. First of all, let's see the live price prediction of previous 3 days. What changes occur in the previous 3 days in the Vechain cryptocurrencies. Oh my god, it's absolutely a jumping time of Vechain cryptocurrencies. The previous 3 days result tell us the changes of Vechain cryptocurrencies. As you can see, the changes of Vechain cryptocurrencies, the previous 3 days result tell us, as you can see here, they are jumping upward. Now the price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the previous 3 days is $0.095022 is the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the previous 3 days. Now the current price of the Vechain cryptocurrencies compared with the current price of the Vechain cryptocurrencies is $0.091615 is the current price of Vechain cryptocurrencies. So let's compare it with the current price. Let's compare the previous let's compare 0.095022 and the price current is 0.091, absolutely fast down. As you can see here, the result is fast down in this period of XRP Ripple coin. As you can see here, they are fast down. As you can see here, the current price is falling from previous 3 days, so the result tell us the Vechain cryptocurrencies in the market falls down. As you can see here, the changes is a very different in this period. The last 3 days price is high and the now current price of Vechain cryptocurrencies is falls down. So it's a falling period of Vechain cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency.